So hello guys, welcome back to the channel and we are heading towards the end of the arcade program. As you know, these games will be expiring on 25th of June and some of the game will be expiring on that is the level 1, base camp etc. will be expiring on 27th of June. So many of you are asking that we have already completed the June games and want to earn more points to reach these milestones. So how will get? So here I have shared the skill badge list and the catalog. So how will find the rest? I'll share this catalog link in the description. You can see here 85 how you to navigate. You have to click on this, click on skill badges, and here are wait a minute. Yes. Yes, here 85 skill badges are there, but you won't be able to complete this because some of them are having bugs and not working. So I have created a special sheet for you. You can see here are the skill badges. When you click on this, you'll be redirected to that particular skill badge like this. You can see here it is the skill badge and just next to it is a playlist URL. Suppose you want to complete this skill badge, you can just navigate to this playlist and you will be able to complete these all labs. And if you face any issue, any query, you can comment down below. And here is complete playlist. If you face any issue, you can let me know in the comment section. I will try my best to update it. And if any video is missing in any particular skill badge, you can let me know. I will update that too also. So this is about this video. If you haven't joined the channel, do join the channel. I mean subscribe the channel and like the video. Join the Telegram channel and follow me on Instagram.